afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're listening to this presentation. My name is Innocent, and I'm here to present a very wonderful product, a new product, and a product that you cannot find anywhere else. A product that you can actually take advantage of and make money, in the next crypto bull run. All right, so I welcome you to Finup AI powered crypto super app that can allow you to create generational wealth with crypto. Okay, so before I go into the explaining what this product can do for you, I'd like to let you understand that I'm not your financial advisor and I'm not giving any financial advice. This is just for educational purposes, and you can do your own due diligence before you take any decision. Okay, so crypto is entering the biggest super cycle. What do I mean by super cycle? I'm talking about the bull run. All right. And if we look at the past performances of the crypto market, we've always seen that after an halving, then there's always a bull run or a super cycle. So halving, as we have experienced 3 halvings, and we just experienced the 4th halving in April. And right now we are expecting the bull run, which is going to be the mother of all bull run. And ladies and gentlemen, this product I'm about to show you is one product that you can leverage on and also make money for yourself. Okay, so we can look at these 2 different assets. I'm talking about gold and Bitcoin. Now, when the ETF, the exchange traded fund, was introduced or was launched on the gold assets, this made gold to be very, very affordable by people, both young and old, who could buy gold using their bank app and also using some other methods that is very, very, affordable and very, very quick for them to buy. And that made gold to be available to almost everybody, and the price of gold skyrocketed. All right, so this is also happening for Bitcoin. Why? Because in January 2024, the Bitcoin ETF was launched in America. And right now, China has also followed suit, and other countries are also following in, launching their own Bitcoin ETF. And this singular decision, that's the ETF, is going to take Bitcoin to the all-time high. Very, very, very high price that many of us will be very, very surprised. Why? Because Bitcoin, for the very first time, will now be easily accessible. People, both old and young, will be able to afford Bitcoin through their banks and through their phone. Okay, so this is going to make Bitcoin the digital gold. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not yet in the crypto space, I think with this information, you should come and position yourself and, take your own pie from what is actually going to happen. And this crypto AI is going to allow you to do that. So why do you have to do that now? Why do you need to come into the crypto space now? The reason why you need to come into the crypto space now is because the biggest banks and the biggest companies are now coming into crypto. Okay, the institutional organization, the companies that have the huge funds are now coming. Before, they were on the sidelines looking at the market, but right now they are now convinced that this is a market that is going to actually, change the way finances are being done all over the world, and they are now coming to take their position. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other hedge fund companies are now coming with their, truckloads of investors' funds to invest into this market. And ladies and gentlemen, if you know what is good, you can take advantage of this crypto app and position yourself and also make money. So introducing Finup. Finup is actually a new product that is about to launch. Now, the date of launch is June 18, 2024. And I speak to you right now, this is just the pre-launch. Okay, so Finup is an AI trading and big data crypto super app. It's an AI, artificial intelligence. So as an artificial intelligence app, it analyzes more than 2.6 million gigabytes of data every day for you. There has been no AI crypto trading app that can do this. All right. Now, it also gives you pro education. Okay, it gives you access to educators that will educate you about crypto and how to take advantage of, crypto trading. It also gives you automated, robotic crypto trading, which you don't have to do anything. It gives you copy trading. It gives you signals on coins to trade and all that. And it also gives you market insights. So you're able to have news alerts, newsletter, AI research, and various airdrops that you can take advantage of. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a platform or a product that is reserved for institutional organizations who can afford to bring in $100 million. It's not for the retail investors like you and I who can put in 500, 1,005. No, it's for institutional investors, institutional organizations. But Mavie Global, our company, were able to come up with a deal with Finup so that you and I, who are retail investors, can take part in this wonderful product and use this product to make money for ourselves. So this is the back end of how the Finup is going to look like. Through this back end, you'll be able to see your trading capital. You'll be able to see, okay, what the AI is actually, making for you as profit on a daily basis. Then you'll also be able to see your daily profits and loss. All right. So with this back end or this back office, you'll be able to see everything that the bot is actually doing for you. And one good thing about this is that you can withdraw your capital and profit at any time. Okay, your capital and profit can be withdrawn at any time. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the priority of Finup is to make sure your funds are safe. And the most important thing is that this is an automated AI trading, which you don't have to do anything. All you just need to do is a one-time simple setup. And once that is done, then your funds is now automatically traded for you. And where would your funds be? You are not sending money to Finup. So Finup is not going to be in charge of your money. Okay? Finup has chosen Binance as an official partner link. So in other words, you are going to have a separated Binance account created dedicatedly for you. So that is where your funds your trading capital is going to be in your own 100% control. So you are not giving anybody your trading capital. You're not sending your trading capital to Mavie. You're not sending your trading capital to Finup. Your trading capital is in your Binance account that you have 100% control over. So once your trading capital is there, all you need to do is a one-time setup, linking your Binance wallet with an API key to Finup, and the AI begins to trade your capital for you. So Binance is there. Then when Finup launches on June 18, bybit and OKX will also join the trade. So you can choose from any of these three exchanges, Binance, bybit, and OKX, to have your funds there, and the AI will trade for you. So you can see this is the past history or the performance history of the bot. All right. You can see out of all the trades that the bot took, 87 were winning trades. 87% of all the trades were winning trades. And we have average returns of 16% monthly profits on your trading capital. Average return. So this can do even in excess of 40% in a month. It can do in excess of 30% in a month. But there's an average returns which is 16%. Okay, that this bot can do for you. Then you can see the difference between the Finup strategy and Bitcoin. This in red is the Finup AI strategy. Then this in gold is the Bitcoin. Okay, what does this mean? It means in 18 months ago, if you had bought Bitcoin, let's say you bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin 18 months ago, that would have given you 251% increase in profit. Okay, but if you had bought that, if you had used that same $1,000, okay, put in your Binance account and use the Finup strategy, in 18 months, that would have given you 327% increase on your capital. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, your trading capital is going to be in USDT, and the Finup trading app is going to be using your USDT to trade Bitcoin, and it's going to open and trade clothes for you on your behalf and keep your profits in USDT. All right. So as this bot is doing that, ladies and gentlemen, you can withdraw your profit at any time and also your capital at any time. So you can see the Finup AI trading strategy is better than you just buying and keeping Bitcoin in your wallet. Okay. So now this is the real data AI trading. Ladies and gentlemen, there was 18 months ago, there was a $10 million capital that the Finup AI traded to $33.6 million in just 18 months. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. Okay, this is huge. So it means that with your trading capital of whatever, $100, $500, $1,000, $5,000, you are expected to see, good returns despite whatever the market, the crypto market is. You can see, good returns. Now this happened during the bear market. 18 months ago, this trading actually happened during the bear market. So you can now imagine what the profit margin will be like in the bull market. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a very good app. Now, introducing to you the team behind this app. Okay, we have the XOKX CEO in the person of Jay Howe, which is the technical advisor of this team. All right. Now, you can be wondering, who is Jay Howe? Jay Howe happens to be the ex-CEO of OKX, and OKX is the number 4 biggest centralized exchange in the world. They have traded $0.1 trillion in the last 7 days and $2.23 billion trading volume in 24 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, they have 324 listed cryptocurrencies on their exchange, and this is big. So with the personality of this man here, you can be rest assured that this is definitely huge. So the question is, how can you become a member of Finup? How can you take advantage of Finup and make money? So there are different licenses, and these licenses are annual licenses. So we have from the starter, growth, pro, elite, premium, and supreme. So it's from $100 USDT to $30,000 USDT. So, and whatever your capital is, then there's a maximum deposit that you must have in your Binance account. So if you go for the $100 starter license, then it means you cannot have more than $500 as your maximum deposit in your Binance account. And one good thing about this is that even if you start with, you have maybe like $50 in your trading account, the bot can compound your profits and increase that capital to even more than $500. So if you have $500 license, you must have you cannot have more than $2,500 trading capital. So $10,000, 5,000 license, $25,000 capital, 15,000 license, $100,000 capital. The $30,000 license will enable you to have unlimited capital. And one good thing about this is that there's a profit split fee and this is where Finup makes money. So if you are on the $100 license fee, okay, whatever profit the app makes for you, you share with Finup 50-50. Okay, if you are on the 1,500 trading license, then you, from your profit, you get 60%, while Finup gets 40%. And if you are on the $30,000 trading capital, then the profit margin is shared 30-70. You take 70 and Finup take 30%. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a product that you can actually use to make money for yourself in the bull run, because this trade Bitcoin, and guess what? Bitcoin price is going to skyrocket in the next super cycle that we are experiencing. So it's better for you to, buy this license and position yourself and make money for yourself. So the higher the license you buy, the higher your trading capital can be, and the higher your profit and split fee can also be. So with the $15,000 license and the $30,000 license, you can take part in copy trading and also pro signals from Finup. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to advise you to take advantage of this product and make money for yourself. So get back to the person who sent you this video and get a link to sign up and buy this package. Thank you and bye-bye.